My next question is to Amit Hablani ji from Davis Index. How can real-time market intelligence and daily pricing support help manufacturers build better networks, improve credibility, and expand their reach to market products with better efficiency?
Thank you, Shmesh. As a Davis index, I can tell you that there has to be a background of the pricing which you see in the market, right? There should be a rationale behind every pricing you do, or you do cover on the market. So we do have a fixed rationale for every price we do, and there's a logic behind every price. It should not be like I've heard the news and I've sending the news prices on the same benchmark. So the credibility has to be what is the rationale or what is the methods we do follow on that. And is that like, let's say, as a Davis, we follow volume-weighted index, So the numbers have to be precise on the deals because we are saying the volume, we have checked on the basis or the prices also, right? The base is not only the price, but also the volumes behind that. And also the firm offers, the firm bids, It's not like based on the hearsay we are doing it. So that credibility has to be there. And other than, Nirav was saying there are a lot of pricing things. So it's up to us, how we take up the prices. So there has to be a benchmark, and obviously that brings up a credibility to the prices, you follow. Maybe imported, maybe domestic also. So that is something we are trying to build on. We've already built on that, and also, there are a lot of people using it. And I believe that we are just expanding on that, So that makes a difference to us.
Okay, my next question to you is, heavy competition from integrated steel producers due to the economics of scale and technological upgradations result in heavy price pressure on induction furnace route manufacturers. How can accurate and fair price benchmarking result in sustainable development and bring a level playing ground for finished products?
Again, it depends, how the pricing is being followed. So it should not be a biased pricing. Let's say somebody is saying a price and we have reported it, So that should not be the case, obviously. And the benchmark should be there. And again, the pricing has to be on the logic front. And the price we report is, on for similar terms, it's like for a small producer or for a big producer also. So it remains same.
Okay. Dhruv ji wanted to add something. So.
See, I think for a level playing field, like we are discussing in terms of quality, there is a vast area. Like we were discussing just a few minutes ago, that in terms of force, this is just one element. We require in some grades up to 40 and can go up till 120 as well. So I think, like we were discussing how Mr. Das also brought it up earlier, there needs to be certain classifications and directions properly guided state-wise or location-wise in which what kind of material should be selling. And only then we will be able to reach that proper quality of and the proper area where everybody would be able to sell the same quality and just fight for the prices. Only then it is possible. Otherwise, you are there and you are selling your material at, let's say, 50 FOS. There's somebody else selling for 100 FOS, and both are equally right. But it is just a game of who's selling it for cheaper. So in that case, there's a lot of substandard material that is given to the market.